Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to optimize your graphics, click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings from the menu option, and now from the settings page, you will need to go into the video settings. You can choose your resolution as well as your display mode. And you can also set a frame rate limit. Set this to the maximum that is available. And if you notice any screen tears within your game, make sure that VSync is also enabled. Now if you scroll down, you will see the quality preferences. You can try using the Epic or the FAR preferences if it supports it. Make sure to choose this within all of the menus. And you don't really need to make any changes for the low latency options. After choosing the highest available preset, click on the Apply Settings option. Then you can go back and start your game and see how your settings perform. If your game is running smoothly and you don't notice any performance issues, then you're just good to go. Otherwise, you can go back to your graphic settings and once again try reducing the quality presets by one step. This time we can choose the high and the far presets for all of the available ones. After applying your settings once again, check your performance, and by following this process, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.